Alright, we're back, and that dirty fucking green thing is over there. Where's he going over there for? What? I'd have to go back over there. Shit in my eyes. The burnout legends are here. Look at these peeps, they're all looking at me. It's good I got the sunglasses off now. These peeps looking at me over there. Look at them, look at them! That fucking green wagon. There it is, it's coming now. Bring that peeps over here. These peeps looking at me. Here they come now, dirty thing. Yeah, this is that thing I saw over there. Where's this piece going? Come back. What the hell? He fucking took straight off. He's men. So we gotta get a shot of this.
Take it out without the line.
Yeah, I'm taking
Maybe different, I've done it before. And it goes alright, but now that it's got a different flavour, it's got to become a flavour.
Boom. Look at that dirty thing. HG? I think so. What is this? Automatic? Yes, automatic column shift. What is that? a HJ. Yes, HJ over there. Little pips. What is this, Holden? Good old Holden. Fucking music, it's not good. You got one of these on there? What a dirty green wagon. Oh, I don't think I've seen that one. Good old Peter Brook. That's what we got to check out. Automatic or manual? This is manual. This is manual. Two manuals right there. I don't know if that's a manual or not. Darty VNSS, or maybe a VP. I love the back lights of these cars. That's cool. Get a shot of that. Green and purple is my favourite colour, so which is a good way to get it. Probably the way I got it, right? Yeah. Do do do. Amazing soft serve ice cream right there.
Come on down to Amazing Soft so you can get it.
Get any of the ice creams. They should chuck that on there.
Oh, she looked cool! I love it! Thank you, darling. But yeah, I'll come back and get one. I want one for sure.
They should have one of those on there for real.
Thank you, my darling.
They got one, I wish.
I'll be back for one.
Evil corporation. Don't play with us. What else they got? Anything else on the other side? They got Tom and Jerry. Boom. Tom and Jerry. They got the peeps on the back. That's cool. There's peeps. Oh, he's got a yellow sticker. Well, this piece got a yellow sticker full. Car looks perfect to me. That's the rats for you, giving the yellow stickers for nothing. Oh, it's too loud. What that boss thing? It's got some white stuff on there. Hello. I gotta get away from the music. Look at that face. Hell. That boss car? Yes, I'm taking a picture of that boss thing. Can't really see it, but the GTS is black right there. Can't see it on my camera. It's wick. Wick.
I can get more sky on this thing. Well, I can get more sky on that.
I know, but you're not.
You want to piggyback?
Spapes. Alright, next will be White Calais. Here's Pips.
Yeah, you like the rainbow?
That shit's nasty. What is this? The HBK? I don't even know. I forgot to check too. This is a manual. So, boom. That cutie over there. That's Boss SS right here. Shooting in the dark with these cameras is stupid. This is a Boss thing. It's like a VT Senator, I think. Boom. It's like a VR. What is this? It's like a VE, Kelly. Boom. It's the VF, is this? These poles happen my style, you hears. Oh, look at this dotty cuff.
Yeah, but how do we... The problem we have is how do we...
Look at that dotty thing.
I don't know how to control the two injectors. Is there a-
Legends right there. Look at them.
I'm assuming that's what everybody does. This is what mom wants. What that? There's no fuel at the top unless there's fuel at the top. Hey, do a pressure test on a gun.
Look at those dotty rims.
Reckon which are the worst? And they all come out at 180. It's even after I break,
Sick.
but not after. They've all been
Orange thing.
I'm impressed with you fucking 6
Can't get a really good shot of this dotty thing.
Private today, but then there's another one next weekend. Because Collie is meant to be next weekend, but they moved it up to out, and they were like, oh, $60 to get in. It was going to be free with the one in Collie, but they can't use it now. So now they're just waiting for
The legends are talking about burnouts. What are these? It's a Mustang. Daddy old Tirana. Oh yeah, I've seen this thing. It's that old kid's. Where is he? There he is, right there. Got that little thing right there. It's the legend right there.
Like Toronto's, do you, mate?
Yeah, old school one, yeah. That's your one, isn't it?
It's an Aboriginal, that's mine. It's an Aboriginal name meaning to fly or flight.
Yeah, yeah.
A lot of people don't know that, including Aborigines. Not Aboriginal. But the Toronto, Monaro, Camira, they're all Aboriginal words. You can Google it.
Yeah,
Yanks wanted something to sound like Camaro.
yeah,
There's a Chev Camaro.
yeah,
Monaro's Township, New South Wales. That's where I got the name from.
yeah.
Way back in 1968.
Good, good.
And
Yeah, I've seen you before.
yeah, have you?
In Midland at, this is probably last year, I think.
Oh, with West Coast Commodore, we went to the cruise up for Peter
No,
Brook.
yeah, Peter Brock one, yeah.
Memorial Run,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah, that should be big again this year because
At the end, yeah.
20 years since he passed away.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'll be there.
Yeah. There's another big one on tomorrow. You might be interested. Riverton Bar and Grill.
Oh, yeah.
On High Street. I'll take the train
Yeah.
at 8 o'clock. To a great sort of venue with food, sports bar and food in it.
Yeah, yeah.
They're packed out.
Why, you'll be there?
You got to get there at least 8 o'clock because you won't get a parking spot.
Yeah.
Some park in the car park next door. So
I'll
big.
try and be there. I will be. I probably will be, yeah.
Yeah. I don't know why it started so early, but
Yeah.
on Sunday. Been to a couple of these, you know.
Yeah, yeah. What's your name, boss?
Sorry?
What's your name, boss?
Doug.
Doug? Justin.
Doug from the American Car Club and the
Good to meet you.
Byford Classic Car Club as well.
Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah.
So,
Yeah, I went to Byford the other day,
yeah.
whenever their last car show was.
Been the president in the past and that, and
Yeah, yeah.
I've had sort of ups and downs and that, but the car scene's pretty big. There's always something on every week, you
Yeah,
know.
yeah. There's lots of car shows these days, yeah.
Jen, I spoke here, this one here with the Mustangs. They were at the, they bought a 66 Mustang at the Ascot National, as they called it,
Yeah.
back in March. They had about 200 cars there for the
Yeah.
best some in the state. Seems a lot of young people seem to like the old cars too.
Yeah, the old cars are the best.
Yeah. 72, 60, 66, this one, I think this is probably, you know, 2015 or so, I'm not sure on the age of stuff, one of the late Mustangs, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
But they still like the classic ones better.
That one's a classic one too, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but Tiranas are awesome. I love it.
Yeah,
Legend.
it was based on the Vauxhall Viva. Some of the Vauxhall Vivas had square headlights because General Motors owned Viva,
Yeah.
Vauxhall Viva in England, no, Vauxhall in England.
Yeah.
And but Peter Brock really made a legend of it.
Yeah.
I mean, these aren't too bad money, but the XU1s and the GTRs are where the big money is.
Oh, yeah,
People
yeah.
are Tiranas and the XU1s, just incredible. You know,
Yeah.
what people want.
Yeah, still be worth a bit though. This dirty thing.
Yeah, well, I think Shannon's are quite happy to insure it. You know,
Yeah.
my value $30,000
Yeah.
as it is. When you think they were $2,500 brand new
Back in the day, yeah.
I'm the second owner in my family.
Okay, cool.
And I've still got the old logbooks from
You got everything, yeah.
Freeman Motors, which
Yeah.
is like shacks or
Yeah,
you
yeah.
know, some of the motors. This is in Adelaide, of course.
Awesome.
And we came across another one. We put new plates on it
Yeah.
years ago, and put new plates on Mandurah plates. You know.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Bloody awesome.
Are you running a website yourself or just yourself?
Ah, it's like a YouTube channel. That's it on the back there.
Okay, yeah.
Freedom for Australia. Yeah.
Yeah, I've been on Aussie Garage. They interviewed me, and they were surprised that you know, Monaro, Tirana, Camira, Malu, all Aboriginal words. Malu
Yeah, yeah.
was the last of the Holdens, really, with the Utes and that.
Okay.
And they had ACDC, and the adverts got thunder struck and lightning and that.
Yeah.
And everything Aboriginal means lightning or thunder.
Yeah.
Malu.
Yeah.
They always sound
Yeah, yeah,
Aboriginal
yeah.
to me.
Yeah, I know Maloon means Sunday, Noongar, yeah.
Yeah.
But I didn't know Tirana mean Noongar. But that's something that you learn something new every day, right?
Oh, yeah. I ran the auto programs for many years, and a few Aborigines come in over that park out front and say, "Hey, bro, Doug, you got a nice car there, that Tirana." Said, you white fellas have all the fun. I said, "Oh, we don't really. We named a few cars after you." He said,
Yeah.
"Ah, bullshit, like what?" I said, "That Tirana."
Tirana, yeah.
And his son had the phone, and he said, "I never heard that before, Doug."
Looked
Get
it
your
up.
son to Google it. What does the word Tirana mean?
Yeah.
To fly or flight.
Yeah.
An Aboriginal
Noongar
name.
word, yeah.
And he showed his dad like that, and he goes, "I'll be bloody bugger."
Yeah.
I said, "Yeah, well, so we named a few cars." I mean, Canberra is Aboriginal, the meeting place. Kirribilli's where the chief is.
Yeah.
Gidgegannup, where we went up last year for the Peter Brock Memorial Run.
Yeah.
You know, they don't teach the kids at school much, you know.
Ah, no. No, they don't teach you nothing in school.
This bloke was at the Mustang Nationals this year.
Oh, was he? Yeah.
That's what I was saying to you.
All right, boss. You have a good one, eh?
keep going, yeah.
Yeah. I gotta get back to my thing.
This Jen's a winner at the Ascot Nationals.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa, check that out.
Come a long way. That's the old motors, isn't they?
So what did you do that?
Yeah, so I've done all the ear intake.
Yeah, I can see.
And this cutting, after I've done all the intake polishing, colour match.
I don't know if you can see that on my camera. No.
Yeah.
And then changed the standard hoses out for silicon, race tech hoses, SAS black.
Shit's nasty.
plant,
Whoo.
and just made it, flow better. Just
God
poured it
damn.
down.
Training filters.
And cold intake stuff.
Boost the
Yeah.
horsepower a bit. What do you got? And all the
Standard, yeah, I had it dyno stop.
Can't even see anymore.
10,000 k's on, it's only done 11 now.
Yeah.
Without that, 14.
Oh, yeah.
And that was on a hub line on that Greens Lotus.
Daddy baby. This ball thing. What's the time? 5:43. Got the daddy thing. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
It's just nasty. This is a manual too. Fucking dirty thing. You got the fuel cell right there. It's nice. Let's go check if these are automatic or manuals. Can't really tell, but I think it's a manual.
Is there a ducting coming through that bottom there? Is that rooted up? Where is it from?
Nerds and rivets. Whole kid must have went there. 2024. Got Aussie garage right there. What is this thing? It's a column shift. You know what? We swap camera. It's automatic. We got a swap camera. We had the Mustang.